Hey, this is our little bug. I decided to call it Noddy. I don't know why, probably because it's red. He's pretty awesome. It was in really good condition before we painted it, but it was purple, didn't look great. But not a lot of rust in it, so that's great. The floor pans were good. All the sills were good. That's how we like to start, something nice and solid. You can see it looks really nice. I love the colour. I think I'll keep it. Actually, I have to sell it, but this is the interior. It's the Volkswagen L Superbug, so it's got the plastic dash. Hood lining's all really nice, back seat's good, and it runs really well. I'll start it up. I should make sure it's in, actually it is in neutral, so you can hear that it started straight away. Obviously the windscreen wipers work, so that's a plus. Just hear it purr. She'll do that on a cold start or a warm start, but runs beautifully. Still registered, I think, till July. The plates, they don't come with it. However, I may part with them on negotiation, but they're original bicentennial plates as well as being personalised bug plates. They were a 1988 plate for the bicentenary of Australia. Hope you like Noddy. Give me a call.